All right. So in order to set up our dependencies, we are going to have Node set up and installed onto our terminal. Now, what is Node.js? Well, Node.js is essentially, it's just a runtime environment that allows us to run JavaScript on our terminals. And I'm going to our terminal. So we can actually run JavaScript code on our terminal, and our terminal is where we generally just open stuff up, right? So if I'm on my terminal, I can cd to different directories. I can see what's available. You know, I can say, oh, wow, there's this PNG over here, screenshot. So we're going to need Node.js and NPM as well. So NPM essentially stands for Node Package Manager, and that's an application and repository for developing and sharing JavaScript code. So we use NPM to actually get libraries and frameworks such as Truffle so that we can actually build development servers, so that we could build applications. As developers, Node.js is extremely valuable, all right? So how do we install Node.js and how do we get NPM working, all right? Well, step one, we have to install Node.js. So we got to go to nodejs.org/download or /en for English download. Maybe there's a Spanish version. And then here we're going to see that we have different versions for installation. So you can install for Windows, Mac. So click on the one that you need and follow the instructions for the installations, okay? Once you've installed it, launch it. Open the downloads link in your browser, click on the file, right? So open it up. Then the system's going to ask you if you want to run the software. You want to say run. You're going to be welcome to the Node.js wizard. Click next. Click next. The installation will prompt you for the location. Click next. Go through all the steps and install. Okay. Once you've gone through all those steps, we can verify if it was installed successfully. How do we verify it? Well, we go back to our terminal, and if it's installed, we should be able to find the version simply by running the command node and then -v for version. And there we're going to get the version. So I see my version over here. It's 10.15.3, and you're going to see your version. So go ahead and make sure that that's working. Pause the video, get to this point, all right? Make sure that everything's working and you have it. All right, so hopefully you have that nice and working. Next up, let's just look together and really understand that Node can run JavaScript. That's what it essentially does. And we can do that by launching Node in our terminal. So if we type in Node, we're actually going to get this arrow, and this means that Node is now running. So we can effectively write JavaScript now in our terminal. So let's say I want to create variables. I can say there's a constant. It's going to be a cat, all right? A string of a cat, or a constant cat, sorry, and it's going to equal blue. I'm going to have a blue cat, all right? Now when I hit enter, oh my gosh. Oh man, okay, so first of all, I don't know why I did that. There's not constant equals cat equals blue, just constant cat equals blue, right? Our variable cat equals blue. And then we hit enter. And now if we check to see what cat is, we get blue. So there you go, right? Because blue. And that makes sense, right? Because we set cat to blue. So we are effectively running JavaScript. Clear is not defined. Okay, right. I can't actually clear anything on here. So it's important to note that when you install all the Node packages, you get NPM. So now with NPM, we're going to be able to get React. We're going to be able to get all the important and all the amazing and important technologies, frameworks, libraries we need to build out our application. So congratulations if you just got Node for the first time in NPM. That's a big step. Welcome to this new world. Welcome to this brave new world of really cool things to explore.